How you're doing, my beautiful friends? There is an important update, a very important update regarding wallets and the airdrop of Pixfi tokens by the Pixelverse team. Okay, if you already have your wallet connected, there is a very high chance that you connected the wrong one. Okay, this update is very important. Pay attention, please. Over here you can see I've got a number of wallets connected, but just one of them qualifies me for receiving my airdrop allocation. So why is this the wallet that qualifies me from receiving my airdrop allocation, even though I've got another OKX wallet? Well, the difference right here is that this address is from my OKX Web3 wallet, while this one is from my OKX exchange. Okay, this is just a deposit wallet from my OKX exchange. Okay, so this from the OKX exchange is only useful for you to receive your winnings from your referrals. Okay, but to receive the Pixfi airdrop, you've got to make sure that your Web3 wallet address is connected. Okay, that's if you want to use an exchange wallet. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now I am on my OKX mobile app. You can see here reads exchange, while here reads wallet. Okay, to connect the right address to the Pixel tab, you need to go to this one, not this one. Okay, most videos you've been watching would ask you to go to the asset section down here and click on USDT and click on USDT on ERC20 and copy this address. Well, this is wrong. Okay, because this address is only gonna be useful for receiving your winnings from the Pixelverse game. Okay, let's say you won something, maybe for referring people. Okay, but to receive the Pixfi tokens, you would need to use this one right here. You would need to go to this, okay, the Web3 wallet. Okay, if this is your first time of clicking on this, you'll be prompted to create a Web3 wallet. It is pretty easy to create. Just follow the on-screen instructions to do that. Once you have it created, your user interface is going to look like this. So what you would have to do would be to simply click on the receive, and that will bring you here. Just click on USDT and select network. The network should be Ethereum. Okay, and click on copy. I hope you're getting this. This is the new update. Once the wallet is copied, back here, go to the wallet section and go to connect new wallet. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to look for the OKX wallet option. Click on that and then click on yes, I have it. That is, do you have an OKX wallet account? Yes, I have it. So click on that. You're going to get this option. Okay, so paste that wallet you just copied in here. So once the wallet is pasted, just click on made it. Okay, once you have that clicked, ladies and gentlemen, your wallet is connected. Okay, so notice what we connected, the Web3 wallet. So you can see the Web3 wallet is connected. All I can do now is to click on this and click on make main wallet. So clicking on that makes it my main wallet. Now you can see it is now my main wallet. Okay, so what I can do now is to click on this and go to the Pixel tab dashboard, and I ensure that I connect the same wallet. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is to click on that and click on OKX, and now my OKX Web3 wallet is already connected. Clicking on that, you can see the wallet is connected. It reads disconnect. That is if I want to, but the issue here is after connecting, it disconnects. Okay, according to the Pixelverse team, at the moment this dashboard cannot save wallet. That is, after connecting, it's going to disconnect. I think they're going to work on that. Okay, they said they will tell us when this will stop. Okay, make sure you're subscribed for updates on this. Okay, so even if you do this now, it's going to disconnect. I've done this a number of times. After a while, it gets disconnected. If you don't like OKX, if you would want to use the Bybit exchange, it is pretty much the same thing. On your mobile app, go to the Web3 section. Okay, if it is your first time, you will be prompted to create a Web3 wallet. Just simply follow the on-screen instructions. The process is pretty simple. Down here, click on wallets. Okay, and go to deposit. Okay, click on that. That's gonna bring you here USDT That's the token in question, and it is USDT on the Ethereum network. Click on copy address. Now, something is very important. I didn't point that out. Okay, when you're selecting USDT, make sure it is under Ethereum. Okay, so let's go back again. Click on copy address, and once you have it copied, go back to Pixel tab, click on connect new wallet, and select Bybit. Once Bybit is selected, click on yes, I have a wallet, and paste that wallet address in there. Once that is pasted, click on made it. Your wallet is going to be connected. Gotcha. So you can see I've got a Bybit Web3 wallet and an OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, so you would have to decide on the one you would want to use. Okay, so of course there are other wallet options. Okay, you can go for either of these ones right here, but make sure that if you're going to use the Bybit, you would have to go to the dashboard and also connect the dashboard to the Bybit. Okay, on the dashboard, it is as simple as clicking on that and then selecting Bybit. Clicking on this would connect you to your Bybit Web3 wallet. Okay, and then of course there are other options here, other wallet options. Let's say you want to go for the MetaMask wallet. You can simply click on this and go through the same process, but make sure that on Pixel tab that you connect MetaMask there also. If you want me to make a separate video showing you how you can connect your MetaMask wallet on both platforms, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, we are going to be decoding today's combo, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I've got a group, Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description. If you fancy, please do use the link in the description. Let's go.